DMC Tooling is proud to announce the introduction of some of the most revolutionary new tools for the metalworking industry. They are a series of standard combination cutters. We currently offer 3 styles and are developing 2 others. These are the 3 style cutters. The first is our drill mill cutter. It will drill a hole, then interpolate mill a larger hole size required. It can also face, side, and slot mill. Second is our drill mill chamfer cutter. It adds the capability to top chamfer a hole or contour shape. The third is our drill mill double chamfer cutter. It adds the capability to interpolate a back chamfer on the hole it produces. The demonstration you are about to watch is the DMC cutter with top chamfer. This is the finished part. The material is 1018 steel. We will machine a variety of hole sizes, chamfers, and slots. Afterwards, I will go over the potential cost savings that can be achieved with this one tool. Enjoy. The sample part has 4 different drilled hole sizes. 2 ID chamfers, 1 counter bore hole, 2 slot widths, and parochial side milling and chamfering. You may have similar requirements, though spread between several parts. However, the cost savings potential is the same, and most of the savings is achieved with the reduction of excess tool inventory and tool change time. 4 indexable drills at an average cost of $250 each would be $1,000. One chamfer tool to interpolate all chamfers might cost $100. A 1-inch diameter mill to do the counter bore, slotting, and perforating milling might cost $200. And let's not forget the additional 5 tool holders needed at a cost of $100 each, or $500, for a grand total of $1,800. The DMC cutter is $195. And that includes the carbide. All DMC cutters come loaded with inserts. And I'm sure you've got backup inventory just in case of a wreck for at least the cutters, not necessarily the holders. So you have an additional $1,300 for a new total of $3,100. And yes, let's be sure to have a spare DMC cutter as well for $195. And of course you'd have some spare parts over here and you'd have some carbide over here. However, this is a pretty significant difference. The DMC cutter will help you realize other savings as well. For example, less tool changes will reduce wear and tear on your machines, less spindle starts and stops, less table and ball screws wrapping back and forth. You'll have less programming time, less setup time, and free up tool storage capacity. I would suggest at this point you take a look at our standard sizes of different DMC cutters and investigate what your potential savings will be with their use. Then order one today and start your savings tomorrow.